লা শারিকা লাহু
ওয়া আশহাদু আন্না
ওয়া
আশহাদু
ওয়াশহাদু
আন্না
আন্না
I'm asking you, what's your name?
Rafael Lopez.
Again?
Rafael Lopez.
So now this is very easy thing, and to be a Muslim to only say two things. Like that we respect Jesus, he's our prophet, Moses. So that's why it is very, very easy to be a Muslim. So you may say after me, Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah ilaha
alla ilaha
illallahu
illallahu
wahdahu
wahdahu
la sharika lahu
la sharika lahu
wa ashhadu anna
washhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluh.